Alright, so welcome back to Heroic Academy. Okay, this is to introduce to you how to build a website, front end step-by-step procedure. Okay, this is a course that will show you how to build a website, okay, specifically a business website from step by step. It's going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to build a website. Okay, and once you follow this procedure and you finish it, you can build any kind of front end of a website. Like I told you, you know that a website is divided into two: the front end and the back end. Okay, so the front end part of the website is the interactive part of the website, the user-friendly part of the website, the part of the website you interact with once you visit the website. Okay, so when you visit the website, that part of the website that you see and you interact with, okay, you see buttons, you see pictures, you see text, you see colors and all, everything there, they're all at the front end. So to learn how to build something like that, this course will help you a whole lot. Okay, you will learn how to build a beautiful website using basic front-end programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So for you to learn this course, you need the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, if you've not learned HTML, if you've not, HTML is a programming language, CSS and JavaScript are all programming languages. If you've not learned them, you have to first of all order for them. You have to order for them as you're ordering for this course. Are you getting me? So what you have to do is that you have to go through this website. Then you are going to see HTML for beginners and CSS for beginners. Okay, then you click on them, then you order for them. Okay, while you are ordering for this, okay, just once you click on add to cart to add this particular course to cart, then you look around the website, you're going to see HTML for beginners, something like that. Then you click on it, add to cart again, then you go to JavaScript, add to cart. Then you can now continue to go to make payment and commence training, because you need to learn this. Okay, you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript before learning this course, because we are going to use the languages to create the kind of website that we need. Okay, if you have no knowledge of these three languages, you might struggle with this course. Not you might, but you will struggle, surely struggle, because you will not understand what I'm doing. But once you have knowledge of these, you will excel. You also need a personal computer, laptop or desktop. Okay, and you also need a knowledge of how to use keyboard and mouse. Okay, once you have all this already, then you are good to go. Okay, our website is divided into two, like I said before: front end and back end. The front end of a website is interactive and the user-friendly parts of a website, while the back end is the logical and the functional part of the website. So the back end is the kind of that part of the website that makes the website functional. Okay, it makes the website behave in a certain way. Okay, like when you click on a button, something will happen. That is the back end working. Okay, or when you register in a website, you submit, it will submit your details to the database. It is the back end, the logic at the back end that is working. Okay, so but in this course, you are going to learn the front end, how to create attractive websites step by step. Okay, all right. So in other words, the front end makes the website interactive and easy to use, while the back end controls the functionality of the website. I've said this. Okay, in this tutorial, you will learn how to build the front end part of the website. Okay, so let's continue. All right, once you are through with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you would have been equipped with the requisite skill to build the front end part of the website. Okay, you might also require learning jQuery after JavaScript. jQuery makes writing JavaScript super easy. Note, if you would like to build both the front end and back end of a website by yourself, you will in addition need to learn back-end programming languages like PHP, Python, etc. Let me explain. There's another language called jQuery. jQuery, not actually a language, it's a JavaScript framework. Okay, it's a library, JavaScript library that you can use to code JavaScript. Okay, you can code complex JavaScript by writing one or two just simple code. Okay, the essence of jQuery is to make JavaScript easy to write. Okay, and that's why they have that slogan, write less, do more. When you get to jQuery, you understand what I'm talking about. But just know that jQuery is one beautiful language you should learn, one beautiful course you should go through. Okay, if you have learned JavaScript. Okay, so that is it. Then our training is online. Okay, we don't do physical training for now, so our training is online. We have hundreds of tutorial videos on different web development programming languages uploaded in our website. Once you pay and register, you will have lifetime access to the course. Okay, all our paid tutorial videos are downloadable, so you can download and start learning. Okay, let me quickly show you what you're going to learn, the classroom. Okay, let me show you the classroom of front-end web development. Okay, we're in JavaScript classroom. Let me log out. I will log out and then I will log into front-end, how to build a website course. Let me log in now so that you see. You also see how students log in. Okay, because this is what I'm doing now. I'm trying to log in. This is exactly how my students log in when they start learning. Okay, now you see front-end project. That is the course. Okay, you type in your email and password, then you log in. So we're now logging into the classroom. The classroom contains all the step-by-step tutorials on how to build a project. So you see that we started from introduction. Okay, start from introduction, then we'll come to creating folders, starting HTML markup, homepage markup, starting the homepage, refactoring the page, the homepage, styling the other pages, styling the top bar. Okay, you see, styling the footer, slider image, working on products, starting and duplicating other pages, working on about us, product and contact pages, reviewing the work done so far, making some adjustments, building a slider, configuring the XAMPP responsive media queries, menu icon, upload. A lot to learn. You get it now. So you see that these are step-by-step tutorials that will show you exactly how to learn. Okay, so if you're among those that are thinking that they will find it difficult to learn online, stop thinking that way, because my tutorials are so easy to learn that you don't even need physical training anymore, as long as I'm the one coaching you. Okay, because I made it to be very simple and very straightforward. Okay, if you start learning, you will understand what I'm saying. It's very straightforward and easy to learn. So that said, so let's continue. The course is designed to be, you are going to complete this course at least in 1 week or highest 2 weeks. Okay, I made a mistake here. I wrote 6 months because I actually used this for full stack, but this is not 6 months. This particular course is for 1 week. So 1 week or 2 weeks, you are free. You've completed this particular course. Okay, all right. So, and again, you can combine this course with other things you are doing. In case if you are busy with other things, you are allowed to practice at your own pace. Okay, but if you are combining it with other things, you might not finish it in 2 weeks. It might exceed 2 weeks, but you will eventually complete the course. Okay, so that said, in Heroic Online Institute, we try our best to motivate our students to dream bigger than just learning programming. Okay, we want them to begin to think of what to use that application they are learning, the skill they are learning to do, and we motivate them to start building applications for themselves. Okay, to start building sample applications for themselves and even for clients too. Okay, if you actually want to make lots and lots of money in this field of programming, you need to start building stuff. You need to be visionary first, and then you need to start building application to power your vision. That is how the world richest think, and that is what made them rich. They build applications to power their visions, and eventually it paid off. And that is one thing we encourage our students to do. And how do we encourage our students? We organize competition from time to time. Okay, where students were told to build projects. The students are normally told to build projects, web projects. They build projects and they present the project in video. They'll make video to present their project, and they upload the videos in our website where they will invite people to vote for them. So I donate money to push that. Okay, that way it helps me to monitor the progress of my students, and to know those that I will partner with, those that are actually talented, those that I will partner with and make money with together. Okay, so you see, I try my best to make everything easy for you. If you love to learn how to code professionally, this is a great opportunity for you. We try our best to simplify the courses for easy understanding. Okay, so the courses are not difficult at all. Okay, the idea that that programming is difficult is an illusion. It depends on who is coaching you. Okay, if you have a very good coach, it's not going to be very difficult. It's going to be easy for you, and you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Okay, so we try our best to make our tutorial to be easy. Even if you know nothing about programming or web development, you will surely find the tutorial very easy and useful. Okay, then we also have WhatsApp group. We have a WhatsApp group where students converge together to discuss. Okay, so all our students are in one WhatsApp group. So you can, once you register, you are going to be given the link to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, there, so you meet other students and interact with them as well. Okay, so that said, the course is for everybody, both young and old. It is highly recommended for people between the ages of 10 and 60 years. So coding is for all. If you are above 60 years, you can still participate. If you are below 10 years, but you're a smart kid, you can also be part of it. Okay, just know that programming, ICT skills generally are just becoming massively relevant, very, very important and popular in our time. And I know you can't afford to lose out. Okay, this is an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Okay, once you order for the course, I will take it off from there. Let's work together. Thank you so much.